The Divemaster Training Discovery Scuba Diving Workshop is an integral part of the Divemaster training program designed to familiarize candidates with the process of introducing newcomers to the world of scuba diving. In this workshop, Divemaster candidates gain practical experience by assisting certified instructors in conducting introductory scuba diving sessions, commonly known as Discover Scuba Diving (DSD) experiences. During the workshop, candidates learn how to effectively assist with setting up diving equipment, ensuring that all gear is properly configured and functioning. They also observe and participate in teaching basic diving skills to participants, such as mask clearing, regulator recovery, and buoyancy control. Safety protocols are emphasized throughout the workshop, and candidates are taught how to assess and manage potential risks during the dive experience. This includes understanding emergency procedures, providing clear and concise dive briefings to participants, and closely monitoring their progress underwater. Divemaster candidates also gain valuable experience in guiding and supervising novice divers during the dive itself. This involves maintaining close proximity to participants, offering assistance when needed, and ensuring a positive and enjoyable experience for all involved. Overall, the Discovery Scuba Diving Workshop provides Divemaster candidates with practical, hands-on experience in conducting introductory scuba diving experiences. It helps them develop the skills and confidence necessary to lead dives and assist with instruction as they progress through their training.